You're not going to be detail oriented and pay attention to details. Don't do your own termination notices. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the landlord's attorney and I'm the landlord warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, kind of run into a couple of different scenarios this past week with landlords, particularly property managers, that were messing up their 3-day notices to pay rent. They were just haphazardly filling out the papers, and when we look at the notices, we have to tell them, hey, this isn't going to be legally sufficient because you forgot your phone number, or you forgot to put where the payments need to be made to, or you misspelled the tenant's name, all that good stuff. Here's the deal, folks. When you do notice to pay rent or notice to perform, you have to comply with all the code sections and the requirements in the Code of Civil Procedure. For rent cases, for example, minimum standard is the rent has to be delinquent. You have to put who the rent needs to be payable to, their address where the rent can be delivered to, and a phone number at minimum. And a lot of landlords, they just think, hey, it's really simple to fill out a 3-day notice to pay rent. That's all I need to do. But they don't read the fine details. And either worse, they file their case in court and they get challenged by their tenants that the notice isn't legally sufficient. Guess what you got to do? Case gets dismissed. You got to reserve that notice and do it and comply with all elements of the law here. Guys, if you're not going to pay attention to details and you're sloppy, I just recommend you just don't do your notices, because you're going to kind of keep wasting time and money, and possibly you might owe your tenant legal fees and court costs because they might be the prevailing party in that case. If this helps out. Until next time, folks, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.